month, every time there's something notable that happens sa ating mga star magic artists. And right now, we're featuring some of our artists na part ng ating back-to-back na mga sold-out events. But before anything else, we'd like to thank the Coffee Project for our beautiful venue for today. Thank you so much, the Coffee Project. And now, we have this tandem that first caught everyone's attention as celebrity housemates on Pinoy Big Brother Community Season 10. Since then, they have been on a roll with projects, starting with their online fan concert, Closer, in February 2022. And just recently, their first face-to-face concert na sold out din. They've also teamed up for the mini-series Run to Me, the afternoon soap Pira-Pirasong Paraiso, and they landed lead roles in the musical Walang Aray. Sobrang talented talaga ng pair na ito, and I'm thrilled to introduce these artists. We have loved them for a long time, and we have added them to our hearts. They recently just held a successful concert last May 31. Let's watch this.
Siyempre, of course, new songs, old songs, throwback songs,
Unreleased songs,
unreleased songs, of course, special guests natin.
yes. Yes, we worked really hard for this along with our band, everyone else, lahat ng grupo ng Atroy talagang pinagtrabaho ng pinaghirapan namin po. Kaya we're so excited to give you guys this show. They are two artists we have held dear and supported from the very start, and today they're here with us. Please welcome the hottest musical pair, KD Lex, KD Estrada and Alexa Ilacas. Hi.
Hi.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Please
Hello, everybody.
Okay,
Hello.
greet everyone, guys.
Hello, good
Hi,
evening po.
everyone. Evening na ba? Good
Yes,
evening
evening.
po. Thank you so much for being here.
Yes.
Yes.
So, first of all, congratulations on your sold-out concert. Palakpakan naman natin sila for
Thank you po, thank
Add
you.
to Heart. Okay, so how does it feel now na it's been weeks since? So, nag-sink in na ba na nangyari talaga yung lahat?
Nag-sink in naman na po, but honestly, nami-miss ko siya.
Yeah,
Like,
actually.
I didn't notice na parang naka-six ata ako ng post sa IG dedicated to the concert. Feel na feel, di ba? Tsaka, I
Dapat
would
naman
always...
talaga, oo.
Minsan lang eh, not everyone can get to stay to the concert sila, di ba? So, feel na feel ko talaga. And, yeah, I would always look at the photos from the concert. And, wala lang, ini-imagine ko lang din other things I could have done, next time naman, paano kaya yung ganun. So, yeah, I'm really happy about it.
Yeah, ako naman I like to look back like through my phone, yung mga rehearsals namin. Kasi during rehearsals, I just set up my phone kung ano kinakanta namin, check my mistakes and review my singing, review yung harmonies. And grabe, ang layo na nang narating namin ni Alexa in terms of our musical performances and also vocally, our vocal capacity.
Ang professional nila, no, hindi lang sila basta nag-enjoy lang, gano'n, talagang
Dami sinabi.
Hinintay sila yung sarili nila, talagang hinahanap namin yung mistakes, what could we have done differently, mga gano'n. Hindi, pero I think that's what makes you grow more as artists,
Yes.
di ba? Hindi kayo nakukontento sa level nyo ngayon, gusto nyo mag-improve. And do you think nakatulong din yung pag-theater nyo sa walang aray, dun sa discipline na meron kayo ngayon?
Yes, incredibly. Like, major big help. Iba din yung na-instill niya sa amin na discipline, like you said. And also, with how we view ourselves as artists na din. Parang po sa akin, I took everything, I take everything seriously naman, pero parang amplified even more right now. Parang ngayon mas iba yung seriousness ko for my craft right now. And I don't know, I just want to be associated with greatness.
Wow, big words. Pero tama, aim high tayo dapat.
Aim high, always continue to grow. And sa akin naman yung theater really helped me open up my voice in a way kasi the way I sing, I might be a bit too technical here. The way I sing, galing dito sa nasal, I found very nasal sometimes. So I had to learn how to sing from the chest and really project my voice so that the audience would hear. Kasi yung isang complaint ko sa akin dati was medyo mahina daw yung boses ko when I'm doing dialogue during walang aray. So I had to fix that by breathing deeper and just project my voice more and also give more energy to what I'm doing.
And let's also remind everyone, even before you joined PBB, di ba, ang audience mo kasi talaga TikTok. So you were used to just a camera in front of you.
Yes,
So doon mo lang ipaproject yung voice mo. But now, with theater and mga concerts na ganito, talagang you have
Yes.
an arena, you have a crowd to sing to. So iba rin talaga. So iba yung training nun.
Yeah, ibang-iba talaga. Kasi TikTok, kahit on the phone, they can just put it near you. Whatever you're gonna say, no matter how soft it is, it's gonna be picked up.
Yes. Oo. So, kita-kita namin yung growth dun sa concert ninyo.
Thank you.
Oo. Alexa, you were channeling, if I may say so, Taylor Swift. Oo, can
Taylor
you tell us
Swift.
about that? Pati yung outfit mo. And you watched her, di ba, sa Japan?
Yes, I did. I watched her twice. So, sabi ko sa sarili ko, what better place and time to channel my idol kundi sa sarili kong concert, di ba? It was a big decision then for me kasi I didn't want naman people to think that I just copied her. Pero yun nga, she has inspired me a lot kasi talaga. So I think she will be she was bound to be part of that concert with the outfits. And we also, it's my first concert, like a legit concert. So I was very worried about a lot of things. So I wanted my outfit changes to be easy. I wanted it to be fast. And also I said, okay, the bodysuit is perfect because then I can just add skirts on top, pants, whatever. Yun. So parang I was conceptualizing everything. And she also inspired me a lot with the preparation. But yeah, a lot.
Paano? Like, in what terms of preparation?
So I read somewhere that the way she trained for the Eras Tour is she would hop on a treadmill and sing her entire set, her 3-hour set.
Yeah, I
Her
heard
grueling 3-hour set. During slow songs, she would walk, and during her upbeat song, she would jog or brisk walk, fast walk. I did that. Although our concert is not close to the Eras Tour a lot.
1 hour and a half.
Yeah, couple songs lang and hati pa kami. But I did try. I sang her entire. I would watch her docu, the Eras Tour on TV. The whole set, I would do the same thing. So I tried to build my stamina. And when I would work out sa gym, walang pakialam yung mga coach ko sa akin, pero kumakanta rin ako palagi. So yun, kasi that's also something we had to learn in theater. We would do tabata, and then instead of resting, you sing your number.
Yeah.
So yung hinga, you're able to regulate.
Yeah, parang
But
practice,
yeah,
you practice yourself, like even if you're physically tired, you still have to sing.
Yung hinga
Yeah.
mawala, hindi marinig sa boses, kahit pagod, kahit mahimatay ka na, parang gano'n.
ang galing. Talagang na-carry nyo yung training nyo sa theater.
I really learned a lot. Kaya I would always say I'm very thankful for the experience because it's one thing to be on stage, that's a different experience, but the training, it's so amazing. Like, it's an experience I can't ever pay for anywhere else. So,
Yeah, lahat ng natutunan ko sa Walang Aray, we're gonna take it in showbiz here.
Yeah. Ikaw naman, Katie, ano naman yung mga naging preparations mo for this concert? Meron ka rin ba chinanel na artist?
Wala naman masyado, but I think I'm more inspired by multiple. So yeah, I would say with the looks, I would say Elvis Presley, kasi I really like to when I'm doing stage performances, I like to put my hair in a slick back, and then I like to play the guitar. I like to wear suits. Also a bit of John Mayer kasi solo spot din ako with a solo guitar, and sobrang kinabahan ako doon. So yeah, I channeled my inner rock star, I would say. Yes.
Okay, marami silang questions for you guys, pero bago tayo pumunta sa kanila, last question na lang. How does it feel to be called the hottest musical pair?
hot ba tayo?
Or
Well, the first time we ever...
Thank you so much. You saw me struggling. Thank you.
So the first time we ever heard of the title, we heard about the title, we were like, really? So why? But then, sabi na lang namin, okay, pretty big shoes to fill, but we have to. And we have to make sure that they feel like the title they gave us, we are deserving of, and we make it worth it. So, yun na lang. We turned it into our motivation. Yeah, and yeah, we really love music. So, yung musical pair andun na, yung hot on the way pa sa
Oh.
Tignan natin.
I'm still building. On the works.
No, but these two are really musically inclined. Diba you also write your own songs? Diba sa PBB, ilan yung kantang sinulat yung bigla?
Yes.
Diba? Oo. So, ibang klase talaga yung talent nila when it comes to music. But now, let's open the floor to our friends from the media who want to ask you questions as well. Let's start with Mr. June Lalin from Abante.
Hello.
Hi, Mr. June.
Hello.
Hello po.
Hello po. Hello.
Siyempre, congratulations for
Salamat.
Atlukay, no?
Yes, thank you po.
Actually, hindi ko nakapanood kasi sold out ka agad. Diba? Lalo na yung sa mga special tickets, no? Pero actually, napanood ko kayo sa Band Center in 2022 during this time. I was there, no? Pinanood ko kayo. Doon pala, ang lakas na ng dating yung dalawa.
Salamat.
Thank you.
Talagang nag-enjoy yung mga tao sa inyo. Magaling kayo. Okay, ang tanong ngayon kasi ang daming gusto makapanood pero yun nga, hindi ganun kalaki kasi yung venue, no? Tapos ubus ka agad ng tickets, ang bilis ng mga KDLX fans. Meron daw bang add to cart part 2?
Part
May dapat bang abangan? Kasi at first, nung matagal pa yung concert nyo, marami na yung sabi nangangamoy part 2. Kahit nga 3 nights pwede. So meron ba kaming dapat abangan?
Siguro po, magiging honest na rin po ako, siguro not in the near future po. Siguro matagal-tagal po. Kasi, syempre, yung hopes po namin na yung next would be bigger,
Yeah.
would be even better.
Yeah.
And that, I believe, would take a lot of time.
Yeah,
and
mas dapat paganda.
yes,
Oo.
preparation. Tsaka, Yung sa part din po sa fans namin, dahil hindi po biro yung nilabas nila ng love, money, everything. A
Effort.
lot of our fans flew in from wherever places. So, sabi namin kapag nagdagdag agad kami ng next concert, makalikas na makahinga.
Yeah,
Kaya sabi ko,
magbago sila.
sige, muna, break muna tayo. And also, so we can try other things.
Yes. You mentioned na, yun nga, may mga lumipad pa from abroad, no? A lot of your fans, KD Next fans, they're asking, meron daw bang, kasi eto talaga, request ng mga fans, no? US, Canada, Europe, and some other places. Kasi, talagang, ang global fans show, grabe, di ba? Aware naman kayo yan, di ba?
Sana nga!
Yeah,
Sana nga
I
po!
hope.
Pero siguro, bago po kami umabot sa international waters, baka mas mabuti kung malibot po muna namin ang buong Pilipinas.
Oo.
Yan, para pagdating sa international waters, ay talagang ready na. Kasi iba rin po mag-show sa ibang
Yeah.
bansa.
Opo. And I think it's best din na you have to make your mark nationwide muna bago worldwide.
Yeah, and but your fans are, you cannot deny na your fans are talagang global.
Oh,
Ang
no.
dami.
Yes, thank you.
Diba, even fans from abroad, they're really so active.
Yes.
Support, no?
Super.
They're
Very
even,
grateful.
like, pag may mga special sa inyo, mga bagay-bagay, they even support your local fans. They're the ones really
Yes,
spending,
that's true,
diba?
that's true.
They're sending money, like, mga, ang dami netong sa
Sponsors.
add to cart, maraming sponsor yung mga global
Oh.
fans siya para makapanood yung mga hindi maka-afford talaga, hindi masyadong maka-afford, di ba? You heard about it.
Yes.
Opo. Pero personally po, I really believe na KD and I, we both have to grow a lot more before namin, honestly, kayanin ang international. Not that we have no faith in our fans abroad, but pili ko po mas ikakabuti ng lahat.
Oo, kasi wala pa naman sinisaban theater, talaga ang daming fans nyo doon.
Thank
you.
Fairness, kasi hindi sila nakontento doon sa mga ibang pinagalingan. I think, like, New York pa kayo noon, di ba? Ang dami yung pinagalingan. And yung mga nakausap kong fans doon, kasi I interviewed some, they said nga na, galing sila sa San Diego, galing sila ganito, ganyan. Talagang pinuntahan kayo, nakaka-fans, di ba? Kaya ako naniniwala ako nung when you said na umuwi pa dito yung iba. Kasi talagang marami namang patunay sila na talagang gano'n kayo kamahal, di ba? Anyways, syempre maraming mga bagay kasi bukod sa show, ang daming mga events sa buhay nyo, sa pagiging magkalapit. Pero ang dami nakapansin kung sa latest post mo, no? Alexa, may pa-lex ka? Pinagkaguluhan nila yung pa-lex mo. Okay, di, ikaw ba, hindi ka na-tensyon na, hindi ka ba nagselos?
Nakahinga ka ba?
May pa-lex na si,
Ano yun? Kino-cover na nga ngayon.
Ito, yung isang mo, wala kang ano. Kasi
Your
sa
lady
show,
post.
naka-ano ka eh.
Yung
diba?
suot ko po na sa
Oo.
concert.
Kaya hindi, bukod doon, yung isang
legs?
Sa room, meron kang ano eh. Kung kita yung legs mo, parang, I think,
Parang hinahandalo mo na siya.
Yung parang may i-encourage ganda yan, pero kita yung legs.
Oh my God, my memory is the worst ever. Pero feeling ko po
It's
yung
2 days ago. Hindi yung sa concert mo, kasi may ano.
Yes.
Parang, ano ba ang tawag?
stockings.
Oo, yung stockings na
Yes.
makintab, di ba?
Yes.
Pero meron kang post na ano, kita yung legs mo. Not too much, pero kita yung legs na maraming nakaranta.
Still tasteful.
Oo,
Nakaranta? Talaga?
Oo. Ang daming umanga. Oo, di ba?
Thank you po. I'm very proud of my
Yes.
voice.
Remember?
Diba?
Yeah,
see
yung
it?
election lang yan.
Okay. Sabi ko talaga.
Oo. Kita yung legs mo. Oo. Diba? Oh, ang ganda. Maraming sabi nga nila, dapat yung sa concert daw, hindi ka na nag-stockings kasi ang ganda.
Si Taylor Swift din po kasi naka-stocking. So,
Yeah.
hindi ba, pag makintag siya, kasi usually po pag nagpa-perform, kahit sa ASAP, lalagyan ikaw ng body oil or shimmer. Para tipid, nag-stockings na lang.
Para, oo. Yeah. Pero yan, KD, ikaw.
What was the question again?
Medyo nakilala ka ba na nagpa-legs siya?
Yeah, for me naman with Alexa, you can wear whatever you want as long as it makes you confident. Oo naman. Kasi, yeah, hindi ako strict sa mga kasuotan niya kasi modern tayo. It's 2024. We can wear whatever makes us confident, di ba? And if may mambastos, it's not what you're wearing. It's yung isip mo yun. That's your
Pero
problem.
si Alexa, hindi bastos sila dito.
Hindi, social, elegante. Ano, modern Maria Clara.
Okay, thank you.
Ito last na, baka si DJ Ai. Pero eto, tama no, yung Alexa went to your premiere night.
Yes, she did.
Nakaka-touch, di ba?
Yes, super.
So, anong masasabi mo na yung talagang kahit eto, hindi mo siya kasama sa movie, but still, she supported you, di ba? Nagpakita siya ng support. And ang sipag din ng ibang fans niya, I heard may mga black screening sila.
Yes. So, ako, sobrang thankful ako na nakapunta si Alexa. Well, sinundo ko siya. Sabay kaming pumunta. Sinundo ko po siya. And sadyang nauna siya sa red carpet kasi, of course, every time pag may red carpet, laging last ang cast. So, I'm very thankful Alexa was there. She waited for me. She watched the movie. Did you like it? Nagustuhan niya, she liked it. And, ganun talaga kami sa isa't isa. Susuportahan namin ang isa't isa. Kahit anong gawin namin. I'm always there for her. She's always there for me. It's that kind of dynamic with me and Alexa.
It's so nice, no? Kasi kahit magkahiwalay ng projects, hindi lang yung for the love team, but para sa bawat isa yung support niyo, di ba?
Yes.
And syempre, congratulations again.
Thank you po.
And more power sa future shows.
More power.
And we're gonna wait for the part of your concert.
Thank you.
Eager, di ba? Thank
Thank you po.
Thank you, Tito Jun. Grabe nung na-interview niya pa pala yung mga kaibilegs na galing sa ibang bansa. Thank you po for that. Tito Jun Lani. Pero can I just say, alam niyo, kung mag-usap kayo, parang kinakaswal niyo lang yung, ang sweet na mga sinasabi niyo. Kinikilig na kami, pero parang sa inyo wala lang. So, normal na kasi talaga siguro sa inyo na ganyan kayo mag-usap, no?
Ano kasi siya, he's also a very words of affirmation guy.
Okay.
So, ako, slight lang. Siya talaga yung very comforting all the time, reassuring all the time. So, casual lang sa kanya yun.
Pero ikaw, sanay ka na lang pag biglang binibitawan niya sa'yo na, kasi maganda siya, elegante, modern Maria Clara. Hindi ka ba, wait,
Alam mo yun,
kinikilig kami!
And parang sabi ko, tatanggi pa ba ako? Dito, I accept, thank you so much!
Grabe. Patuloy mo yan, Katie. Good job ka dyan. Okay, now, let's go to our next friend from the media. We have Jason Laluna from Certified Kapamilya.
Hello.
Hello po.
Yes, congratulations sa
Thank
sa
you.
award.
Thank
you so
So, yung
much.
first question ko, simple lang. What is your favorite thing about each other?
My favorite thing about Alexa is how much she, it's gonna sound so basic, but how much she cares. Kasi, kwento ko na to. Last night I wasn't feeling very well. But Alexa took care of me. She was there, she massaged my head, she fed me, gave me food. And I realized na sobrang thankful ako na may ganitong person in my life. And yes, even though pinagalitan niya din ako on that day. Kasi kasalanan ko din naman na lumabas pa ako kahit may sakit ako. Her actions do most of the talking. And she doesn't have to talk to show how much she appreciates a person. So yeah, thank you so much.
Ano itong favorite ko sa'yo? Favorite ko po sa kanya is he's very understanding of may ugali. ang vague Pero ano po kasi, like, when it comes to work, I'm very, very, very focused. I'm very meticulous. Pag sa work, medyo nagiging perfectionist po ako, na talaga yun nasa isip ko. Lahat ng attention ko nandun, and kapag may hindi ako na-execute na tama, or the way I want it to be, na-frustrate ako sa sarili ko, ganyan. So, I'm thankful that he understands the way I am sometimes, especially when it comes to work. And that he's always there to reassure me and to comfort me. Kasi talagang pagdating po sa work, madali ako mapanghina ng loob, or yun nga, ma-frustrate a lot of times. Because I like to conceptualize and plan, over-plan actually everything to a T. Like everything has to be perfect, and of course life is not perfect, so there are times na it doesn't go the way I would like it to, and he's always there to cheer me up. And I think, I used to think I didn't need that, na okay, I'll move on, I'll be fine, on to the next, ganun lang yung ugali ko. But then, he came and he's like that, and kumbaga kung sa Inside Out, di ba, meron si anger. Dami ako nun. So, yung anger ko, medyo napapalitan niya ng joy. Wow! So, ayun, I'm very thankful for that. Kasi feeling ko kung ibang tao yun, hindi nila ako maintindihan. Or, i-judge nila in a way na they would think the worst of me.
Yeah, and it helps din na patient din kami sa isa't isa. Madami kami na patience.
Yung follow-up question ko, you've done theater, you've done a microfilm, you've done a teleserye, now you've done a concert. Ano yung dynamics nung preparation? So, iba't ibang challenges, iba't ibang activities. So, ano yung mga ano yung pagkakaparehas na nagagawa yung approach towards dun sa iba't ibang activities na yun, at ano rin yung pinagkaiba nila? In terms of work naman.
Siguro po yung sa dynamic namin, I would try to always stand back first. Because, admittedly, I've been doing this for a long time, a lot longer than he has. And since it's almost his first time to experience being a lead in a teleserye, in a play, actually it was my first time also, but kumbaga mas may background ako. So, during moments like that, where sasabak po kami in another field, in a new field, I like to take few steps back first and watch him do his thing, kung paano niya atakihin yung mga bagay-bagay. And then, when he needs me, I will always be there. Na, kasi, I'm very honest with him. I'm also his biggest critique in a way. And, yeah, yun yung dynamic namin. Parang dito muna ako, sa tabi muna ako, see how you can grow on your own, how you can learn on your own. And then, kapag gusto mo na, if parang you're ready to do this together, then I will pasok. And I will enter.
Ako naman, well, this is more specific. Yung especially nung Pira-Pirasong Paraiso, grabe yung iyak-iyak nyo dun, no?
Ay, so
Grabe. Like, minsan parang robot na lang sila. So, like, okay, dun sasabihin ni Derek, okay, dito iyak kayo.
3, 2, 1, iyak.
Dito iyak. I try to observe Alexa, how she acts din. And ako when I'm working with Alexa, I observe her a lot. And I try to do what she does, or not do what she does, but like I try to mix myself into what she's doing. And so it will drive more instead of me just doing my own thing, then biglang it causes like tension.
But I also noticed that what I do with him, take a few steps back, he also does that.
Yes.
With me. And ang galing lang kasi sakto yung timing. So, I'll be there when he needs me at the right time, and he's also there when I need him at the right time. But during other times, we let each other be in a way na yun nga. Kasi pag work, hindi talaga nasa isip ko yung sweetness or anything like that. I want us to be focused and all. So yun yung ganun po yung dynamic mo. Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Thank you, Jason. Now let's go to Miss Candice Go from Push.
Good evening.
Ay, hello po.
Good evening po.
Ano yung mga what's the difference na etong nagkaroon kayo ng face-to-face concert sa Music Museum? Ano ba yung, kasi diba during the pandemic din, meron din kayo theater, pero yung face-to-face na hindi nakalaman face mask, medyo mas malaya, mag-perform. Ano yung mga, yung mga experiences nyo? Ano yung advantages?
The adrenaline rush that it gives po. Sobrang malaking boost po yun sa performance namin. Nakaka-hype po kasi talaga when you see them and you see they're enjoying. If you see them, mukhang inaantok, alam mo na yung gagawin mo to liven things up again. And yung feel lang, kumbaga I feel the love either way, no matter what, kung nakatakip yung mukha nila or hindi. But of course, it's truly different po when you actually see their reactions. It's priceless. It's really priceless.
Yeah, iba po talaga ang live. Nababounce yung energy. And in Walang Aray, it's also live, but they react to what you're doing kasi you're telling a story. Dito naman, in the concert, you're more of expressing
and
yourself and engaging. Yeah, engaging po talaga with them. Trying to charm them, and then they react, you react, and then it's like a bouncing of energy to each other. And yeah, so audience plays a big part in a successful concert, and I think we did that.
Okay, may mga challenges ba kayo na naranasan towards the concert?
Sobra po. Sobra po talaga. So, ako po the night before, I have insomnia kasi. So, talagang perfect timing siya. Hindi niya ako pinatulog po talaga. I had not a wink, not a minute, not 30 seconds, not even a micro nap of sleep. I guess I was so excited po, also nervous, so hindi talaga ako makatulog. I was so restless. And of course, kapag wala po kayong tulog, hindi talaga nasa kondisyon yung boses mo, yung katawan mo. And because I didn't sleep, I didn't eat also the whole day because I was so worried na if I eat the wrong thing, it would get stuck in my throat, make things worse. Huwag tula.
Yes,
So, ayun po, those were my biggest challenges talaga na I was crying to God, literally. I couldn't sleep, so I was just crying, Lord, bakit ngayon pa? Sa lahat ng araw na pwedeng magpuyat tayo, bakit ngayon pa po? Sabi ko. Pero ang galing din kasi thankfully, si God talaga, hindi niya ako iniwan. And nag-favor din ako kay KD. Sabi ko, I'm not at my 100% today. Please fill me in. Like, I mean, punuin mo yung kulang ko, please. Kailangan natin tumayo. So, ayun, nagawa niya. And nagawa ko rin naman po. I was able to get through the whole show. If I may say so, with flying colors.
Hindi halata na wala.
So, grabe lang po. Tulong-tulong din po talaga. I'm also very blessed na yung production namin, yung team po namin. Talagang kulang na lang, samahan nila ako on stage eh. Pero kumbaga alagang-alaga ko, and hindi po talaga nila ako pinabayaan. So, yun po yung biggest challenge sa akin. Pero dahil na gawa ko naman po na what was the Tagalog word I'm looking for? Naitawid? Yes! Thank you! Di ko alam, nasa isip ko na subaybayan. Mali. Naitawid ko naman po. So, parang pinatunayan sa akin ni Lord na I'm stronger than all of my anxiety. And that if I could have done that, I could do anything. Yun, feeling ko lang, nilakas yung loob ko, grabe.
Actually, one of the struggles lang din, pagod galing sa rehearsals. Tapos, to be honest din, wala din kasi masyadong time for rehearsals, and we had a lot of songs to memorize, a lot of songs to practice. And during the rehearsals, ako personally, hindi ko talaga makuha yung songs. Minsan nalilito ako. And I didn't know why kasi I'm okay naman sa music. Pero, yeah, I think it was more internal kasi yun na, anxiety din ako, inside out too. Anxiety, fear. But when I got on stage, tapos narinig ko po yung mga haway nila, yung mga sigaw nila, I was like, okay, this is good. We're gonna be okay. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Tsaka bukod sa sigaw, di ba may mga dala pa sila mga band?
Yes,
May mga
it was so
props
cute.
sila.
Balloons pa
Sobrang
sila nung finale.
Yung light, ano tawag dun sa light? Light sticks, yes.
Yeah, the cardboard cutouts, lahat complete yung kanilang mga props. Ang galing-galing.
Oh, parang just like you guys, perfectionist din yung mga fans nyo.
You know, sobra.
Actually.
Grabe rin pala, you think, I was so surprised to hear how much planning it took them. Of course, the money, it's expensive, but the planning, talaga nagme-meeting din sila and all.
Yes.
Akala ko pupunta lang sila and gano'n na lang. But grabe talaga, kaya gusto talaga namin na ibigay yung deserve nila na show.
Oh.
Super organized din sila. Thank you so much, Miss
Thank you po.
Alice. Okay, now let's go to Jeff Perdon from Kapamilya Online World.
Hello, Kaidelas.
Hello!
Congratulations sa Son of
Thank
Concert.
you.
Thank you so much.
Isa sa mga kinanta ni Alexa during the concert is yung unreleased song may additional details na lang siya ilabas.
Ito na.
Heto na. Actually, mauuna, we're about to film the music video pa lang po. Kasi gusto ko, yung, di ba sa international stars, when they release a single, it's accompanied by the music video. So that's what I'm trying to go for with this. Para no wasted time.
Oo.
Para kung magkaroon ng hype, I pray meron, tuloy-tuloy. So yun po, I guess, kakamiting lang namin kanina. Actually, kanina lang. So hopefully really soon, but I will announce kapag meron akong date. Thank you.
Nakakayaw siguro yung music video na yan.
Ay, gusto kong durugin kayong lahat.
Oh my God.
Dun sa unreleased songs is perform mo na dun sa concert, baka pwede natin sabihin sa mga hindi nakapanood yung title.
Oh yeah, oo naman. Yung song po na yon, it's entitled Kung Naging Tayo. So title pa lang, masyakit na.
Isa sa mga pinilihan din sa concert, yung Excel na parang pabiro nag-propose kay Katie
Yeah,
after nung kiss na medyo. Ano yung reaction natin? Impromptu ba yun?
Hindi po. Actually, galing po kasi yun sa song na Love is an Open Door sa Frozen. So, yun talagang lines niya na, will you marry me? Pero yung sagot ko, yun yung impromptu. Kasi dapat ang sagot ay yes! Pero parang baka pag sinagot ko yun, maniwala sila!
Oo nga.
So, sabi ko na lang, sige, ask me na lang again in a couple of years.
Baka ma-headline ka sa TV pa
Ay,
all, no?
baka mga fake news tayo
English lang na
eh.
nag-propose kay Alexa.
Gusto na naman sing-sing.
Oo.
For KD, nung premiere nung Fruitcake kasi parang super proud si Yen after nung premiere dun sa performance mo sa movie. Tuwang-tuwa siya dun sa comedy performance mo dun sa...
Nakanood na po ba kayo?
Nandun lang sa premiere.
Nakanood ka? Oh, yun na sa premiere.
Yeah, ayun at the back of the cinema, ini-interview ako ng some media, some influencer friends. Then si Ate Yang lumapit, sabi niya, KD, nakakatawa, ang galing mo.
Alam ko, umiiyak siya. Umiiyak siya. May paglingon niya kasi siya nasa harap ko. Diba, nag-credits, tapos palakpak siya, tapos umiiyak talaga siya.
Oh, that's really nice. But, baka hindi dahil sa akin.
Sa inyo lahat naman yun. Sa movie.
Sa lahat siguro.
Natawa siya sa'yo.
Natawa siya sa akin. And I'm happy to give that to the movie. I'm happy to be the comic relief. Ako, sinabi ko talaga na okay lang sa akin na sa movie na to hindi ako gwapo. Kasi hindi naman yan yung required sa akin. Hindi yan yung hindi ito heartthrob na role. This is batang-bata yung role ko dito. And I needed to give that. And I'm so proud na may mga celebrity friends, they told me na, KD, you're so funny, man, bro. You're so good. Ang galing mo. Natawa ko sa'yo. And that's all I wanted. That's my goal. Thank you.
Thank
you.
Balikan ko lang ito sa proposal. Actually, ginawa niyo rin yan sa rehearsal. Ano kasi nung rehearsal? Oo. Ano nung rehearsal? Yes. So, kung gusto niyo mapanood yung mga behind the scenes ng rehearsals nila, nasa YouTube membership po yan. Na ABS-CBN Entertainment. Yes, if you're a super kapamilya, for only 49 pesos per month. Mapapanood niyo po yung mga iba-ibang behind the scenes ng mga ABS-CBN content. Isa na po doon ay yung Add to Heart concert ng KD Lex. Kung saan, doon yung makikita yung unang proposal sa Love is an Open Door. Yes. Segue lang. Okay, now, let's go to Miss Ana Cerezo from TV Patrol.
Hi.
Hello.
So, congratulations again.
Thank you.
So, going back lang dun sa Kung Naging Tayo, tama ba? Para nung concert mo, Alexa, nagbigyan mo kami ng konting background. Pero para din sa mga wala doon, baka pwedeng i-share ulit tungkol saan to, yung story, yung mga nabanggit mo rin ng concert.
Basically po, the song it revolves around regret. Based pa lang sa title Kung Naging Tayo, iniisip niya what could have been. So it plays around that question, what could have been. And di ba tayo minsan, hindi natin inaamin kung ano nararamdaman natin for whatever reason. Takot, ayaw mapahiya, ayaw ma-reject, fear, basically. So yun po talaga yung meaning ng song. And ang gusto ko naman pong i-portray sa music video is the consequences of not speaking up, of not being honest about how you feel. Yun po. So basically, it's just a song about regret. Para sa mga totga. Totga, diba?
So, Alexa, being a Swiftie, di ba minsan si Taylor yung mga
Easter eggs, tas talagang pag-storytelling. Ganun din ba yung peg mo sa yung music video? Pati teaser
Sadly, I'm not as smart as her. I'm not as creative as her. I wish I had her brain. I don't know how she's able to think the way she does. One of a kind talaga po si Taylor Swift. I don't know any artist who does it like her. She's insane in a great way. So, ako naman, I'll do the best I can. But, ayun nga, hindi ako talaga katulad kay Taylor Swift. So, baka wala ng Easter eggs, baka straight to the point na lang ako. Ibibigay mo na agad.
Meron din siya, syempre papakita mo pa rin na you're a great storyteller, no?
Yes, of
So,
course.
may ganun pa rin siyang aspect na.
Of
Hindi lang
course.
siya as a singer, artist, actress, gano'n.
Yes. I would say, na-realize ko din po recently that I'm a bit creative pala. Because I never thought I was. Until I realized, sobra ako mag-conceptualize lahat ng shoots namin, lahat ng ina-attenda namin events, iniisip ko kung ano yung peg namin. Ako lahat nagpa-plan talaga. So biglang realize ko na, parang creative naman pala ako. Okay.
Sabi sa'yo, pwede ka mag-director.
Hindi naman. Creative lang.
Someday.
So, ayun po, yung for the music video, nag-meeting kami kanina and I really told them I really wanted to be devastating. Yeah. I want people to relate and cry. That's the goal.
What a goal!
What a goal, diba? Ang KJ, no, gusto magpaiyak. Pero yun po, so I really have a vision and hopefully, maitupad naman ang vision na yun. So I'm excited. I'm so excited to hurt people.
Forward! How about you naman, Katie? Parang, syempre first love mo din ng music na. So pwede rin ba kaming abangan na music from you this year, soon, or basta you keep on working on it. So abangan na lang.
Yeah, I'll continue to keep on working with music. I want to really improve because music is my, music is, like you said, music is my first love. And ayoko talagang bitawan yun kahit anong mangyari sa career ko. Like, I think that will always be something I'll go back to. But this year, kung may aabangan, I'll let you guys know. Kasi,
Hindi pa teaser,
May pa-teaser din siya pa eh. Kasi kahit ako, di pa ako sure.
But last question na lang for me. But since kayo parehas na inclined talaga kayo sa music, do you sometimes toss ideas, parang help each other, di na na-discover mo, very creative ka din pala, do you help each other? Kahit
Gumawa ko ng song?
Yeah.